Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Social Study Tech 10th Standard Social Science. Today deal with the chapter 2nd of class 10th Social Science and a geography part. Okay, unit 2, unit name Indian Physiography. So this one is a part 3. So in these sessions we'll discuss the 2 or 3 mark question answer. Okay, fine. Now move on to the question answer here. Answer the following questions in a 2 or 4 sentence each. Okay. Question 1. First question 1. Write the difference between western coast and eastern coast. Write the difference between western coast and eastern coast. Okay. Now first see the western coast. Okay. It's near the Arabian Sea. Western coast near the Arabian Sea. It lies between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. Second point in the western coast is it lies between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. Point number 3, it has the name of Konkan coast, Karnataka coast and Malabar coast. It has the name of Konkan coast, Karnataka coast and Malabar coast. Now let's move on to the eastern coast. Okay, eastern coast, first difference, first point here. Eastern coast is near to Bay of Bengal. It's near to Bay of Bengal. And point number 2, it lies between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. Eastern coast lies between Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats. And the last point in the eastern coast is it has the name of Coromandel and Utkal coast. It has the name of Coromandel and Utkal coast here. Okay. Now move on to the question number 2. What are the economic importance of Northern Mountain? What are the economic importance of Northern Mountain? Now let's see the answer here. Point number 1, they act as a natural frontier. They act as a natural frontier. Point number 2, they have thick forest. They have thick forest. Point number 3, they attract the tourist. Point number 3, they attract the tourist. Here now let's move on to the point number 4. They are the storehouse of minerals. They are the storehouse of minerals. Okay, now next point number 5. They protect India from cold winds. They protect India from cold winds. Okay, now move on to the point 6. It's birthplaces of many rivers. Northern Mountain, birthplaces of the many rivers. Now move on to the next point. It is the home of medicinal plants. It is the home of medicinal plants. Okay. And next point is it is the home of wild animals. It is the home of wild animals. Okay. Now last point in this question. Stop monsoon winds and cause rain here. Stop monsoon winds and cause rains here. Okay. Now move on to the question number 3. Question 3rd. Which are the division of eastern and western coastal plain? Which are the division of eastern and western coastal plain? Which are the division of eastern and western coastal plain here? Okay. Now let's see the answer. First, eastern coastal plains. Okay. Northern Sarkar coast and Coromandel coast. Northern Sirkar coast and Coromandel coast here. Okay. And the western coastal plains, Konkan coast, Canara coast and Malabar coast. Western coastal plain and a western coastal plain, Konkan coast, Canara coast and Malabar coast. Now move on to the question number 4. Differentiate between Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadip Islands. Differentiate between Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadip Island here. Okay. Write the difference between Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadip Island. Now let's see the first Andaman Nicobar Island. They are in a Bay of Bengal. They are in a Bay of Bengal. They are volcanic islands. They are volcanic islands. They are 204 islands. They are 204 islands. Okay. Now move on to the Lakshadip Islands. They are in Arabian Sea. They are in Arabian Sea. They are coral islands. They are coral islands. There are 43 islands. In Lakshadip Island, there are 43 islands. Thank you everyone. If you like the video, then don't forget to share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.